The pipeline system is the lifeblood of automotive air conditioning. Its production process is complex, with strict sealing requirements. Traditional flame welding methods often lead to deformation and low efficiency. With the accelerating demand for lightweight vehicles, the use of aluminum in automotive manufacturing continues to rise. To address the challenges of aluminum alloy AC pipelines, HG Laser has developed advanced aluminum alloy AC pipelines laser welding machine, effectively solving common issues such as hot cracking, porosity, and deformation. Welding success rate exceeds 99%. Features XYZ 3-axis servo control, dual-station rotary work table, production cycle of 8 seconds per piece. Uses contour-based localization fixtures for each part. Quick fixture changeover. Processing tube diameter 5/8 to 525 millimeters. Processing tube length 80 to 1200 mm. Positioning accuracy plus or minus 0.03 millimeter. Repeat positioning accuracy 0.02 millimeter. Smooth and even weld surface. No cracks, porosity, or depressions.